Hey guys, Skylar here, coming at you from the green corner with a little Foliar feed recipe. Alright guys, first things first, we're going to mix 24 ounces. This is a 24 ounce bottle. So, we want about 710 milliliters. We're just going to do about 700. We'll probably do a little top off at the end. All right, got about 700 milliliters there. So, kelp, I've got age-old kelp. It doesn't really matter as long as it's kelp. And we want 1 milliliter of the kelp. Make sure you mix everything super good. All right, we've got about a milliliter of kelp. Rinsing with clean water. Splash that back in there. We've got our stir stick to make sure that everything's getting stirred up and not mixing and locking anything out inside the water. Next, we're going to do a milliliter of the Clonex solution. Got about a milliliter of Clonex. All right, RapidStart, we want about half a milliliter. All right, about half a milliliter. All right, Floralicious. Oh, don't forget to rinse our pipette. And this one is super duper potent, so we will only want about a quarter of a teaspoon of this one. Very hard to see, but we've got about quarter of a milliliter there, and that one's super thick, so we want to make sure we get our pipette washed off super good. Again, one last stir to make sure everything's mixed really good. Now we're going to get our pH tester out. Our water here is super hard, so we're probably going to have to pH down it quite a bit. So we're sitting at about 7. Got our pH down. Put a little squirt of that in there. Mix well. Five point 8 to 6.2 is what we're shooting for. That's why you got to be careful with the pH up and down. See that? We jumped all the way to 4.5. So we're just going to go ahead and pour some of our tap water, gassed off tap water back in there, and that'll help us jump back up. I could use the pH up to do it, but we left some of the gassed off tap water out. That way we could make sure if we did go too far down with the pH, we could add more. Whew. Still sitting way down there. Get our probe rinsed off. Check it again. Still about 1 pH low, or 1 point low on our pH. We're almost there. So close. Rinse our probe. We're jumping between 5.7, 5.8. We're going to throw just a hair more in there, just to make sure that we're between 5.8 and 6.2. Rinse our probe. .0, perfectly in the middle. All right, rinse. Keep our equipment clean, especially since this has nutrients in it. We don't want anything getting stuck in our probe. Put that away for next time. Now we're going to use our funnel to go ahead and get everything in here. Right. Clean it up with a bit extra, so I'm actually going to save it so that we can utilize it this clone round. We want to make sure we label our lid since it has nutrients in it. Clone mist, good enough. All right, since it's still cool in here this morning, we're going to go ahead and get these ladies sprayed. You don't want to do a super heavy spray. You just want a nice little mist. Alright. You can see everything's got a nice little mist over the top. We're going to go ahead and raise our light a little bit just to keep it away from the actual plants. Try and keep the magnifying glass effect from happening on the tops of our leaves. We've got airflow coming from the Honeywell fan, moisture coming from the Bornado humidifier.
Remember, always be growing.